Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a dress. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in a few other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the bot looks like. So right off the bat, when you guys do take it out, it definitely feels really nice. You guys can feel how soft the material is on here. And then for the top part right here, you see we do have the brand name. And then the back part here, they do give you guys accessory if you guys need to use it. So I'm actually fully open it to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys do fully open it, this is what the product looks like. So you can see for the middle part right here is open. And on both sides, they do have the cover for your arm. So one on this side and one on the other side. For the bottom part of the dress, they do give you guys an option for you guys to tie it to make it tighter if you guys want a tighter fit. And that way also give you guys a very nice look when you guys do wear it. And the cool thing about this dress is the fact that they do have some pocket inside. So if you see right here on the side, they do have a pocket for you to put stuff inside. Or if you guys want to put your hand inside to keep it warm, you do have the option available as well. So the one on this side, and there's also one on the other side right here as well. But you see for the dress, it definitely gives you guys a pretty good coverage from top to bottom. So here is the top, and right here is bottom. And for the material that's on here when you guys do stretch it, it's actually very stretchy. But if you guys pull too much, you can see it's slightly see-through. And when you guys look at the inside of the dress, this is basically what the inside looks like. And when you guys do look at the dress on the side, they do have a little zipper. If you guys do open up, they do give you guys an opening right here for you guys to open it. And then for this dress, you definitely have the option for a machine to wash it and dry it using the lowest temperature setting. So this is basically what the dress looks like in the front. If you guys turn to the back, here is basically what the dress looks like in the back. So now I'm actually get someone to wear this to show you guys what the product looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Welcome back guys. So the actual quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So literally once you guys do put on the dress, it definitely gives you guys that really soft feeling and also that comfortable fitting as well. So it doesn't matter if you guys are pregnant or not, it definitely gives you guys that very comfortable fit when you guys do put it on. So it does have that stretch material that's on here, and also give you guys that perfect party look when you guys do wear it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality dress that can use casually or even for a party that give you guys everything I mentioned on here, especially like the built-in pocket on the side, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.